Today I'm going to show you how to upload a custom wallpaper for the Firefox new tab, step by step, in a quick and easy way. If you use Firefox every day and want to make your browser feel more personal, this is a great little customization that makes a big difference. Instead of seeing the default new tab page, you can use your own favorite image, whether it's a photo, a wallpaper you downloaded, or something that matches your style. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. If it's already installed, just launch it like you normally would. Once Firefox opens, go to a new tab. You can do this by clicking the plus icon at the top or by using the keyboard shortcut if that's easier for you. This will bring up the Firefox new tab page, which is where we can change the background. Now look for the Customize button. In most versions of Firefox, this is usually located in the lower right corner of the new tab page. Click that button, and it will open the Customization panel. This panel is where Firefox lets you change the look and feel of your new tab page, including wallpapers, shortcuts, and other display options. In the Customization panel, find the Wallpaper section. This is the area that controls the background image for your new tab page. Once you're in that section, you'll see an option to add your own image. Click Add Image. This tells Firefox that you want to upload a custom wallpaper, instead of using one of the default options. After clicking Add Image, a file browser window will open. Now browse to the folder on your computer that contains the image you want to use. It could be a picture in your Downloads folder, a wallpaper you saved from the internet, or even a photo from your personal collection. Select the image you want, and then click Open. As soon as you choose the file, Firefox will automatically apply the selected image as the new tab background. You should see the wallpaper appear right away, giving your Firefox start page a fresh new look. If it doesn't update immediately, give it a moment or open another new tab to refresh the view. If you want, you can go back into the Customize panel anytime and try a different image. That means you can change your Firefox wallpaper whenever you like, so your browser can match the season, your mood, or your desktop theme. It's a simple customization, but it really helps make your browsing experience feel more personal and more enjoyable. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a custom wallpaper for Firefox new tab. Nice and easy. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.